Can I help you?
Can you help me?
Yeah.
If you want to, wait, put some music on for me. That's how you can help me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just here gonna give you a little bit of cleaning motivation today. As with most of us currently, we are working from home, spending a lot of time at home, and I do try to keep our messes under control a little bit up in here. But we do have two small children, a 5-year-old and an 18-month-old, so it does, need to be tidied up from time to time. So today I'm just going to show you a few of the areas that I try to keep decently tidy. The first one is going to be the living room. As you can see, Aurora is helping me here. She does like to help clean up, so that is pretty good. Also, you're going to see me go upstairs and tackle our master bedroom, just straighten it up a little bit from the morning mess. And then also the girls' room, which there really isn't like much in there to keep tidy, and that is done on purpose. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy the cleaning motivation and listening to the music, and I will see you guys in the next cleaning video. Please let me know if you do like these types of videos. I know upstairs in the master bedroom, I really did not get a good angle. That is my fault, so sorry. I'm going to work on it. If you guys do like these, please let me know. As I said, I'm cleaning all the time, literally, so I will have no problem filming this and uploading it for you. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.